Catherine from Nigeria.
Bridget from Kenya.
Tuba Kurt från Kurdistan.
Hind från Syrien.
Vi är här, vi jobbar på, vi blir färdiga med våra cyklar.
Very often they've come from countries where it's either illegal or simply like not, you just don't do it as a woman, or it's just that the infrastructure is so bad, so it's actually not safe to cycle. And then they're here in this country where cycling is kind of expected from everyone. It's quite difficult if you don't know how to cycle. You miss out on a lot. Our project is called Freedom on a Bike, which is then specific for getting new cyclists out on the road, adults. So we usually train up to 15 hours together, like cycling here in the area and going through traffic rules and how you behave in traffic, etc. And then we usually try and organize like bicycle excursions, and then also that like people can come to fix bikes.
I discovered that in my place of work, many people who live far away cycle to work. So why I walk.
Just man need courage and time for learn the bicycle with this group.
5 dagar.
5 dagar, okej.
5 dagar.
Ja, bra.
Började jag. Det är roligt. Bra för hälsa. Och bra för trafiken också.
Ja.
Ja, men det är roligt. No problem.